Hi friends, welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading That's Not My Rocket. Its boosters are too rough. That's not my rocket. Its nose is too sparkly. Can you point to your nose? That's not my rocket. Its fins are too lumpy. That's not my rocket. Its fuel tank is too smooth. Wow, the stars are so pretty. That's not my rocket. Its window is too shiny. Shiny. Can you point to a window closest to you? We found it again. That's my rocket. Its engines are so bumpy. Thank you for reading this book with me. I hope you enjoyed the story. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting books like this. Bye! See you next time!